Tencations, your source for cool vacation stay reviews. Tencations.
Travel fam, I am in Las Vegas, the city that never sleeps because everyone is too busy going broke. Let's go check it out. Hotel Delano. It ain't Delano, some of y'all. And then hit them streets, y'all. Hotel Delano is an MGM property, and they did an excellent job with this addition to the Mandalay Bay. But big warning, Delano has no casino, no slot machines, none. This hotel is for those coming to relax and not really seeking to roll dice everywhere they go. On the way to the room, the lobby is gorgeous though as you walk in, so let's get right to my room. Do keep it dark in these hotel hallways. Let's get some light on in here. All right. Now the living room is sweet, nice and spacious, cool. Got your couch, little chair there, nice artwork. You know, business desk, TV. Love the lamp. I really like this USB breakout panel system. Nice little couch. Let's see if it's comfy. You got a really cool view. You can't see all the casinos, but you get a chance to see the Luxor and a few others. Let's not forget the bar area. All right, let's get to this bedroom. I gotta check out the bed. We'll see how it is overnight. Essential oils there, lotion and shampoo. Yeah. I like the fact that they have this TV in here while you're sitting in a tub. That's it for the room here at the Delano. Let's go have some fun. I'll show you what else you can do in Vegas. First up though, I passed my man Michael's show. Word is this is one of the best shows to see. On to the slot machines in the attached Mandalay Bay. Yes, you will have to walk out of the Delano into Mandalay Bay. My fave spot to eat at the Mandalay Bay is a small little place called Border Grill. Now for some amazing nightlife, the strip is fun. But for a more exclusive adventure, get up to the Riviera in the Delano with its amazing views and great food. Vegas Strip is just one big sightseeing excursion, and don't just kill those feet, use the tram. When you want to experience Vegas away from the Strip, I suggest these excursions. First, drive out to the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area to see the petroglyph wall, which is very important to contemporary Native Americans.
It's where it looks like somebody was, measuring something.
Second, not far from the petroglyph wall is some amazing hiking in the Red Rocks. Woo! You gotta do that. Third, get some desert suburbia in your life out at Summerlin Center, which is full of shopping strips and a lot of great restaurants. Finally, I did not get to do it, but schedule a tour of the Las Vegas Raiders Stadium. An incredible sight to see. All right, Travel Fam, that is it for Las Vegas. Thanks for watching Tedcations. See you next time.